Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to enable or disable the touchpad on a laptop. On some laptops, the touchpad can be easily enabled or disabled, and let me show you the two ways to do it. Also, at the end, I'm gonna show you how to enable it back again if you've accidentally disabled it and you don't have a mouse. So let's first do the first method, and it works only on some laptops. That's why I'm also gonna show you the second method. And the first method is more user-friendly because if you disable it, you can easily enable it back again. On this exact laptop, which is Acer Aspire 3, I have this icon right here, which means just disabling the trackpad. So I can click on it, and now as I move on the trackpad, it isn't moving, and when I click on it again, it's moving again. Sometimes the icon will look much different, so you just need to know which one. And sometimes it will not work after one press. You'll need instead click on Fn key, then on the symbol, because it depends what is the primary function set to these F1 to F12 keys. Because by default, you may either have it as media keys or as function keys. If it's as function keys, then it will use the F1, F2, F3. For example, F1 opens help. And if it's set to media keys, then it will use the symbols that are shown here. So in this case, this will put the laptop to sleep. So it's up to the laptop, up to your configuration. But yeah, this is the first way. Sometimes it also is a different button that is somewhere else. Maybe it's a switch that you can switch to the left or right easily. But if this method doesn't work for you, if you don't have this button, if you don't have any button for that, then you may want to go to settings. And here first I'm gonna show you how to disable the touchpad, then how to enable it if you don't have a mouse. So let's go to the settings. Now in the settings, go to Bluetooth and devices and scroll down until you see touchpad. And now you can just disable or enable it. As I've disabled it, now I cannot use it. And even if I click on this button right here, I cannot use it still. So this isn't helpful. I'll either need a mouse, or let me show you that. You'll need a keyboard. So with the keyboard, you should press on Tab until it points on the search tab. Then click on space, and now you'll start searching and search for settings. Then click on enter, and it will open the settings. Now click on tab until you are pointing on any option on the side panel. So now I'm pointing, and use the arrows here to move to the Bluetooth and devices. Then hit on space, and now click on tab, tab until you get to one of the options down here. So it will be devices in my case. Then use the arrows, go to touchpad, hit on space, and now you are pointing on or off. If you are not, click on tab until you are pointing on it, and now you can click on space to enable that. And as you can see, now I'm using the touchpad and it works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.